Revolutionizing connectivity. What is Starlink? Starlink is a satellite internet service developed by SpaceX, providing high-speed internet to underserved areas through a constellation of low Earth orbit (LEO) satellites. It offers an alternative to traditional internet services, especially in remote regions where terrestrial infrastructure is unavailable or too expensive to build. The Starlink Kit. What's inside? Starlink Setup Kit is designed to be easy for anyone to install, regardless of technical knowledge. The kit includes the following components: a Starlink dish, user terminal, the satellite dish that connects with Starlink satellites, a mounting tripod to hold the dish in place, a Wi-Fi router, provides internet connectivity to your home or office, cables, for powering and connecting the devices. How does Starlink work? Starlink works by communicating with satellites in low Earth orbit. Unlike traditional satellites, which are placed at altitudes of 35,786 kilometers, Starlink satellites orbit at around 550 kilometers. This allows Starlink to provide low-latency, high-speed internet. Installation process. 1. Unboxing and setup. The installation of Starlink is easy and can be done in a few steps. To position the dish, find a location with a clear view of the sky, no trees or buildings in the way. Mount the dish. Attach the dish to the tripod or pole to hold it in place. Automatic alignment. Once the dish is powered up, it will automatically orient itself to find the best satellite connection. 2. Connecting the components. Dish to router. Connect the dish to the router using the cables provided. Powering up. Plug in the router to power it up. Once powered, the system will begin the alignment process. 3. Using the Starlink app. The Starlink app helps guide users through the setup. Download and install the app. Available for both iOS and Android. Follow setup instructions. The app provides instructions to help you position the dish and check the signal strength. Technical specifications. Starlink is designed for performance with modern internet demands. Here's a quick breakdown. Dish dimensions: 19.3 inches, 49 centimeters, in diameter. A weight: approximately 7.2 kilograms, 16 pounds. A Wi-Fi standard: Wi-Fi 6, 802.11x, offering faster speeds. Ethernet ports: 2 LAN ports for wired connections. A power consumption varies, with an average between 50W to 100W depending on usage. Global coverage and performance. Starlink offers a global solution to internet access. With ongoing launches of satellites, it aims to provide coverage for remote regions worldwide. Troubleshooting tips. Here are some common troubleshooting tips for users. Obstructions. Ensure your dish has a clear line of sight to the sky. Rebooting. If there's an issue, use the app to reboot the system. Firmware updates. Keep the system updated for optimal performance. Additional resources. Starlink official support. Starlink installation guide. Starlink is changing how people connect to the internet, particularly in rural and underserved areas. With easy setup, reliable speeds, and a global reach, it's a groundbreaking service that opens up new possibilities for internet access. As SpaceX continues to launch satellites, Starlink's performance will only improve, making it an essential option for those in need of reliable and fast internet anywhere in the world. Stay on this channel and subscribe for more details on tech reviews and solutions. But the real question is, will Starlink's coverage continue to expand rapidly, or will there be new competitors entering the scene? What's next in the satellite internet revolution? Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll uncover the future of internet access and how 5G may just be Starlink's biggest rival. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out.